Hello students, solve this following example student. These are the previous exam questions. So first one is first compound. The first compound react with lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. What is the final production? Generally we know student that is lithium aluminum hydride can reduce aldehyde groups only. Aldehyde means here aldehyde group is there, one double bond is there. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce only aldehyde group, cannot reduce double bond. So now what is the production? This is aldehyde. This aldehyde giving always primary alcohols. So what is the final production? That is CH3, CH double bond, then CH, then CH2OH. It giving primary alcohols. Aldehyde giving only primary alcohols. And same thing student, there is sodium borohydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen. This sodium borohydride also can reduce only aldehyde group, cannot reduce double bonds. Once again students, sodium borohydride can reduce only aldehydes, cannot reduce double bond and triple bond. So here also same thing, same product will be formed student. So this sodium borohydride can reduce aldehydes. It gives aldehyde to give alcohols, that is primary alcohols also form. It is also giving primary alcohols. It is also giving primary alcohols. This is first question problem. First question student. This first question answer student. These both are giving same primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Both are do not react with double bonds. These both are do not react with double bonds. So lithium aluminum cannot reduce double bond, and sodium borohydride also cannot reduce double bonds. And now second example student, and same thing student, that second example is also same thing, both are reduce. This is also reduce lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. What is the final production? This lithium aluminum hydride, in second example, lithium aluminum hydride can reduce aldehyde group. In exception cases student, it is very most important student. Exception cases, in first case what I said student, lithium aluminum hydride it reduce only aldehyde but cannot reduce double bond. And sodium borohydride same thing, sodium borohydride can reduce aldehyde, cannot reduce double bond. But in second case, it is exception cases student, it is exception cases student. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce both aldehydes and double bond. It is very most important student. If in case I am statement student, that is a very most important student, that is note. If in case phenyl group, attached to C double bond C. If in case phenyl group attached to C double bond C, then both lithium aluminum hydride and sodium, borohydride, can reduce C double bond C also. This is very most important student, very most important student. This is exception cases students. If in case phenyl group attached to the C double bond C, this is phenyl group, this phenyl group attached to the C double bond C carbon, If in case phenyl group attached to the C double bond C, then both lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride can reduce C double bond C. It both reduce. Lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride can reduce aldehydes and double bond in the presence of phenyl group. It is very most important student. Sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride can reduce in the case aldehyde reduce and double bond also reduce in the presence of phenyl group. This phenyl group is attached to the double bonded carbon. This is the simple trick that is very most important student. So now what is the product student? This lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it reduce aldehyde group. This aldehyde group is converted into alcohol, and double bond, this double bond is converted into single bond. What is the final production? I am writing final production. This is benzene, CH2 single bond, CH2 CH2OH. This is the final production. So this lithium aluminum hydride can reduce both aldehyde group and double bond. This aldehyde group is converted into alcohols, that is primary alcohols, and C double bond CH double bond CH, it is converted to single bond. Double bond is converted to single bond. This is also very most important. So lithium aluminum hydride can reduce both aldehyde group and double bond. And same thing, student, the sodium borohydride also can reduce sodium borohydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen. It is also can reduce double bond and aldehyde group due to the presence of phenyl group. This is very most important, student. This is also same thing. It is also giving same product, CH2, then CH2, then CH2OH. This is the simple trick. So it is very most important, student. This is also both are giving same product. Both are giving same production. This is the very most important, very most important for NEET and JEE and other competitive exams also. This is very most important part. This is exception case, student. In case of phenyl group, I gave statement also. In case of phenyl group attached to C double bond C, this is the phenyl group, student. This is phenyl group. This phenyl group attached to the C double bond C. This phenyl group directly connected to the C double bond C. Then both lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride can reduce as double bond also. Can reduce double bond also. It is the very most important, study. Remember, student, it is very important for NEET and JEE. It is a simple trick, student. But if in case, student, only aliphatic compounds are there, that is only if in case aliphatic compounds are there, lithium aluminum hydride can reduce only aldehyde, sorry, it can reduce only aldehydes, cannot reduce double bonds. Lithium and sodium borohydride also can reduce only aldehyde, cannot reduce double bond. This is the simple trick, student. So this is the case 1, case 2, student. Now next example, student, same example, student, this same example, student, it reduces, that in the presence of H2 by nickel and lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. This compound react with lithium hydrogen by nickel, that is hydrogenation. Second one is lithium aluminum hydride, that is reducing agent, and sodium borohydride is also act as reducing agent. So what is the production? What is the product? That is CH3 CH double bond CHC double bond OH. This is aldehyde group is there and double bond is there. So generally we know, student, that is lithium aluminum hydride can reduce only double bond only, cannot reduce, sorry, lithium aluminum hydride can reduce only aldehyde group only, cannot reduce double bond. And sodium borohydride can reduce only aldehydes, cannot reduce double bond. So what is the production? That is first one, that is sodium, right? The sodium borohydride. The sodium borohydride can reduce only aldehyde group. That is product is CH3 CH double bond CH, then CH2OH. It is also giving primary alcohol. It is also giving primary alcohol. It is also giving primary alcohols. And sodium borohydride is completed. Next one, lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen. This lithium aluminum hydride can reduce only aldehydes, cannot reduce double bond. So here what is the production? CH3 CH double bond CH, then CH2O2 CH2H, sorry, CH2H. It is also giving primary alcohols. But in the case of third one, student, that is in the case first one, that is same product, same compound react with H2 by nickel, that is hydrogenation. This is hydrogenation reaction. This belongs to hydrogenation reaction, student. That is addition reaction, student. So all are only addition reaction. These two are belongs to nucleophilic addition, but here this hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst. So this is hydrogenating catalyst. Catalytic hydrogenation, this is very most important, student. This catalytic hydrogenation in the presence of nickel, it can reduce aldehydes and double bonds and triple bonds, everything it can reduce, student. It is very most important, student. H2 by nickel, it can reduce aldehydes, ketones, everything, double bond and triple bond and like that. So this H2 by nickel, it can reduce aldehyde group and double bond also. Now what is the production? That is CH3 CH2 single bond CH2, then CH2OH. This is the very most important, student. This compound, same compound, that is the compound react with hydrogen by nickel. This compound react with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen. This compound react with sodium borohydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen. But lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, it can reduce only aldehydes, cannot reduce double bonds. But hydrogen in the presence of nickel, that is catalytic hydrogenation, it can reduce double bond and aldehyde group also. It can reduce double bond and aldehyde group also. It gives double bond is converted into single bond, and aldehyde group is converted to alcohol, that is primary alcohol. This is the simple tricks for that is reduction with sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride and hydrogenation in the presence of nickel. Now take the next example, student. Now next example, student, it is a keto group is there, C double bond O and O is there, that is ester is there. This compound having ester group is there. So ester, when ester react with sodium borohydride, ester react with sodium borohydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen. So that is no reaction, student. Sodium borohydride cannot reduce ester group and ester group cannot reduce ester groups and acid groups and ester group and acid groups. It is very most important, student. Ester groups cannot reduce with sodium borohydride, but ester group can reduce, that is lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen. Student, lithium aluminum hydride can reduce both acids and esters and acid chloride, everything, student. So lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it can reduce ester group also. So this bond cleavage is bond cleavage. What is the production? That is, this product is, this is OH, this is bond cleavage, sorry, this is bond cleavage, this is primary alcohols, this is also primary alcohol. This is the simple trick, student. So bond cleavage here, this is bond cleavage, this is also giving primary alcohol, it is also giving primary alcohol. This is no bond, sorry, this is no bond, student. So lithium aluminum hydride can reduce ester also, this is ester group. So sodium borohydride cannot reduce ester group. This is the simple trick, student. Sodium borohydride cannot reduce ester group, but that's why it is no reaction. Lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it gives alcohols. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce ester group also. It is very most important, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching, student. Thank you.